Yeah, no, I think the COVID pandemic has definitely highlighted that the opportunities of vaccines actually could be pretty sizable for the industry. While the industry has traditionally ignored these kind of opportunities, is that the vaccine market isn't as large as the traditional pharma industry. I mean, just to give you a sense, the whole vaccine market worldwide is only 75 billion versus a 1.6 trillion market for pharmaceuticals itself. And if you look at GLP-1 market, which is the weight loss drugs they're looking at right now, it's predicted to be a $100 billion market alone by 2030. So that category alone is much larger than the entire vaccine market in itself. But I think we do think that it's changing. I think because of COVID, that's highlighted that it could be a sizable opportunity in terms of vaccines. COVID also highlighted new technologies like mRNA, which may have reinvigorated interest in the category. And I think in this environment where health equity, access and affordability are major issues, and as you said, rightly identified, the industry has been criticized for many things. I think this is an opportunity for them to address some of the needs that they have not traditionally paid attention to.
Arthur, healthcare it's deeply political in a post-COVID environment, and there are questions, as we've been discussing, about affordability and access, and it really goes to the heart of the cost of living crisis. Increasingly, is Big Pharma seen then as part of the problem as opposed to the solution, and how could things change? And let's take the US election as a case in point and as an example in a post-election environment.
Yeah, I think it's both, right? You need a vibrant, healthy pharmaceutical industry to continue to innovate and develop solutions. I mean, if it wasn't for the big pharma companies, we wouldn't have had a COVID vaccine that quickly. And I think the industry has gotten a lot of kudos for that in terms of being able to deliver. But it's always a what have you done for me lately environment, right? So now that especially with the election and focusing again rising costs on everything, including healthcare and especially pharmaceuticals, it's come back again that the industry is feeling pressure in terms of on pricing. But I think that could be a positive in that because the industry is in its traditional profitable markets, such as North America, such as Europe, where they're seeing this increased pressure, they are actively looking for new opportunities, namely in Asia, given the rising middle class there, and also opportunities in Africa, where the increasing population, and also looking at vaccines, as while they may not be as large or as profitable, they still could be healthy sources of growth for them.